Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see some differences between S4 HANA 2022 and S4 HANA 2023. So there are lot of change in the Fury app site. I have noted down few points, but trust me, there are lot of changes has been done in 2023. So first change is consistency check. The consistency check naming convention in 2023, they have made this one FIGL check data consistency, whereas in 2022 it was this one. Let me show you the difference of both. So if you go here, so this was the earlier for FIGL consistency check. Now in S4 HANA 2023, they have changed the name. They have put this one FIGL check data consistency. So this is one difference I found. Another difference in the costing side or in controlling side, they have added product cost by service document. Now they have added product cost by service document. This was not available in 2023. So come here, product cost, not here, sorry. Yeah. So this one additional they have added earlier in 2022 only product cost by period order and sales order. They have added now product cost by service document also. Then in GRIR clearing process they have added new option transfer transaction key for GRIR reconciliation that was not available in 2022 version. You can observe it here. So so please join my training. I'll be giving you training in 2023 version, and in this I'll be covering all the latest features which got added. So come here, go to periodic processing, go to classify, and this is additional feature they have added which is not available in 2000. So 22, this is 2022 here. This is not available, transfer transaction key is not available. So this additional they have added. Along with that there are a lot of Fury app changes, lot of are there. So first Fury app changes, this verify general journal entry requester. This is new Fury app name they have kept same, but the app name they have changed. Okay, whereas in 2020 this is the Fury app ID, but in S4 HANA 2023 this is the Fury app ID. And this Fury app SAP is planning to delete by 2025 release from the Fury Launchpad. Similarly, for this also, this is the new Fury app ID. This is the old Fury app. This is also planned to be deleted. Okay. Then a lot of that there are lot of Fury app changes. Only few Fury app I have noted it down here. Then one more Fury app is there, something called currency exchange rate. In currency exchange rate, this tool they have, this app they have enhanced a little bit. They have made more user friendly. If you can view here, so this is the 2023 this app. So if you come here, if you click on currency conversion, so if you click on inside, there are some more extra features they have added. And where this is your 2022, so you can see currency pair valid and exchange rate type. But here you can see source and target currency. Inside also some of the feature they have made the changes. So along with that there are a lot of changes in 2023 which I cannot list everything here. But yes, I feel 2023 product is more innovative and more advanced than 2022. 2023 SAP S4 HANA will make user as well as consultant life more easier as per my understanding. Okay, so I have trained one batch in 2023. It's been amazing, and the experience for trainer is also very amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn latest technology, please join with me. Thank you so much.